Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp connecting problem. If you're using WhatsApp and you're having this type connecting problem on your WhatsApp, so let's see how can you fix that. So the very first thing you have to make sure that you are connected to the strongest internet connection because at almost 90% it might be that your internet is not connected, so you can get these type issues. So you have to try to use any other thing to check if your internet connection is strongest or not. So I'm randomly going to select and start for anything. You can see that my internet is not weak, but I'm still having the issue. So now how can you fix the issue? If you have any weak internet connection, try to switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi and try to change your connected Wi-Fi network and then try to enable and disable your airplane mode. And once you have done, it will almost fix your issue. Or if this doesn't work for you, you have to go for App Store, and here you have to simply search for WhatsApp and you have to try to update your WhatsApp. So here look for WhatsApp, and if you find any update here, try to update your WhatsApp app, and after that it will almost fix your issue. Or if this doesn't work for you, you have to open settings, go for apps, and here go for WhatsApp app, and here you have to try to enable these toggles, which is background app refresh and then mobile data. Or if you're using mobile data, so or this your setting is turned off, so you cannot use your WhatsApp or you will find connecting issue. And after that, if you are still having the same issue, so you have to go for general, try to update your software, or after that you have to go for transfer reset, select reset network settings, enter your passcode here, and then select reset network setting from confirmation message pop-up. And if there will be any issue, enter your network settings, it will be fixed in this step. And after that your WhatsApp will work. Or if you are still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you have to open your settings again, go for general, go for iPhone storage, and then go for WhatsApp app from here and try to offload your app. Once you have offloaded, you have to try to reinstall the app, and after that your issue will be fixed. Or there's an extra fix if you are still having the same issue, so you have to go for settings, and here go for storage and data, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any proxy server. So go for proxy, or if you are enabled with proxy, you just have to tap on disable and it will be disabled. And after that, it will fix your issue. You will not find any connecting option here. So in this way, you can easily fix if your WhatsApp have any connecting problem. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.